So I made these claims. I had to write my own debugger for SWI Prolog because there were some issues that I couldn't figure out what's going on. There was things hidden from me and so forth. So I have this really huge program that I need to debug. Um, and the SWI debugger just wasn't doing it for me. So Logicmoo utils are about giving me the debugger I needed to be able to write this outrageous program. So here I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to let it run for a little bit, and then while it's running I'm going to break into it and just see what sort of a stack trace the normal Prolog debugger is going to give me. This app is complex. It hosts a couple different websites. It loads some huge QLF files. It does all sorts of things. It starts a Prolog MUD. So here it is loading Cleopatra, which is a semantic web based application. It called the Cleopatra server. It's loading a MUD into the system. It's doing several things. It's got several packs that are being used at the same time. Anyway, it's just a very big program, and I wanted to be able to debug this thing. So right now I'm going to break into this. Okay, so you see this thing is loading. It's loading this, loading that. Okay, break here and see what it's up to. I have no idea what that means. It doesn't really tell me. So I can use my dumpST and say, aha, it is re-exporting the predicates it found in this particular module. Okay. And it's killing anything that is considered bad natural language in the code. I can at least know what it's doing. But when I try to get a backtrace out of it, I can't get anything. Secretly, there's a way of getting a better backtrace from SWI Prolog by set prolog flag access level system, and it actually should show us some of the hidden frames. It didn't. Okay, so let's set the access level back to user. Sometimes, at least for a while, that worked. Another way of getting a backtrace is ask it for goals. Okay, well, I can actually see what it's doing here. And I can actually get a goal stack here. So what I did is I said, please give me all of the stack trace you're willing to give me. And it was only willing to give me that much. Okay, so I'm going to set the access level to system. And now I'm going to ask it the same thing. It's willing to give me a lot more. Actually, it's willing to give me, almost the same backtrace I have. The problem is, though, is this backtrace it gave me, it doesn't contain line numbers or that many useful things that I want to have. So that's why I made that utility that does this. It gives me kind of everything. So not that these line numbers are super useful, but these line numbers here are. Anyway, so that's just dumpST, what it does. And that is something that's available with Logicmoo util.